Well, all right, guys, here we have another rebuild. It's on a 9x7 Rainer door. The hinges have been here for 30 years. A lot of sloppiness. Rollers are pretty much trash. Drums are wore out. You got these little tiny cables on a pretty heavy door, I would say. All the components are wore out. Here's the components I took out of the other door. Some rollers worse than others. A lot of sloppiness. Hinges pretty much trash. We're gonna run them side by side and see what we got. Here's the first door that hasn't been rebuilt yet. They're already a lot quieter because I did replace the motors. They did have a Genie screw drive. With the gold package, they got a 84501 LiftMaster ultra quiet belt drive. Let's try the other door that I have already rebuilt completely. Man, that's amazing. Well, let's run down the non-rebuild door. All that clanking is your rollers are bad. All that popping is your hinges. Let's roll down the rebuild door. You got your quad hinges and sleeves. Quad hinges, sleeves, zero play on them. 100,000 cycle rollers. You also got a set of springs, Max Life springs on this one. New stainless steel cables, new drums, new precision bearings on both ends and the center. New tube because the old one was basically rusted up.